Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about laziness. Laziness means a person is being lazy if he is able to carry out some activity that he ought to carry out but is disinclined to do so because of the effort involved. Normally we call them as conch potato, slacker and bludger. Some most common signs shows that you are a lazy person. We'll see, are you a lazy person or not? You spend too much time on TV and social media. You delay doing the works and wait until the last minute. You give yourself excuses to skip exercises. You don't finish the book you read. You know that the Bill Gates read about 50 books per year, which breaks down to one per week. Your workplace and living space are disorganized and in a mess. You are bored with your weekends. You don't set goals and plans for your future. You always feel that you are busy and you have no idea why is that. You choose to eat junk foods when you can cook or eat some healthy food. You don't take care of your physical presence. Are you a lazy person or a strong one? If the answer is yes, I am a lazy person, then you must watch this video until the end. Come, let's go. We'll break the laziness and be a strong one. Larry Winget tells that nobody ever wrote a plan to be broke, fat, lazy, or stupid. Those things are what happen when you don't have a plan. Here, I will tell you some simple ways to overcome the laziness. Tip number 1. Break down the task into smaller tasks. Normally, we avoid tasks because they are too big or taking too much of time. For that, breaking the task into several smaller tasks can solve these problems. Tip number 2. Rest, sleep, and exercise. In some cases, laziness is due to being tired and lacking energy. If this is true in your case, you need to give yourself the rest and sleep. Tip number 3. Motivation. Sometimes the reason for laziness is due to lack of motivation. So you must motivate yourself or talking to someone who motivates you. Tip number 4. Have a vision of what and who you want to be. Remind the person who you want to be and the goals you want to achieve. Tip number 5. Think about benefits. Think about benefits that you will gain if you overcome your laziness and take action instead of thinking about the difficulties or obstacles. Tip number 6. Think about the outcome. Think about what will happen. You succumb to laziness and don't perform your task or duties. This can push you to take action. Task number 7. Doing one thing at a time. Focus on doing one thing at a time. If you feel you have a lot to do, you will probably feel laziness. Task number 8. Visualization. Visualize yourself performing the task easily, energetically, and enthusiastically. Do so before starts your work. Task number 9. Repeat affirmation. Tell yourself, I can complete this task today. Doing things make me stronger. Task number 10. Learn from successful people. Watch and talk to successful people and how they don't let laziness win. Associate with them. Every time you overcome your laziness, you get stronger. Every time you choose to act, you increase your ability to win, achieve goals, and improve your life. Live a happy and healthy life forever.